In this video, I'm going to teach you how to stake on Kraken Pro app. So navigate to portfolio at the bottom right, okay? And then hit the button right here, the earn button, like in front of your screen. And you're gonna select, of course, a currency, right? You could choose Bitcoin, US dollar, or Tether USD, or choose, you know, more assets, okay? You can see right here, Soy, Solana, Flare, and much more, meme coins and others. So in my case, I'm gonna select Bitcoin, let's say, right? And of course, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to allocate. Say $10, okay, or 5, or 0. Okay, 0, okay, and that estimates around 5.20 bucks. And you can choose flexible, which means you're gonna earn 0.1% APR, or just 0.15% APR, which is bonded. Okay, and you can just go ahead and hit allocate, right, and swipe to confirm that you want to allocate $5 for staking. So your BTC will be locked for a 30-day unbonding period, but will continue to earn rewards during this time. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.